There is no video, there is no technique, there is nothing in this world which can manifest for you. If you are tired and bored of trying every and each thing you've seen on YouTube, you've seen on Instagram, or you've seen on any kind of platform, and thinking that manifestation is so boring, it's not working, and it's never worked for me, then you are wrong. So, if in your life right now nothing is going the way you wanted, like your SP is not contacting with you, your friends are not being loyal to you, and if you are not getting the results you want from your exam, and if you are like manifesting things but it doesn't coming for you, and if you are feeling stuck, and if you are having any kind of skin issues, I just want you to ask one little question to yourself and be brutally honest with yourself. Who is on the pedestal? Who is controlling your life according to you? Who is the God of your reality according to you? Who is influencing your life? Tell the answer. Maybe some of you maybe say that your parents, like they are controlling your life, they are deciding where you go, they are deciding which course you study, they are deciding what you wear, they are deciding where you will go, they are deciding which friends you make, they are deciding everything of your life. Everything. And for some of you, your SP is a God of your reality, or your SP is controlling your reality. If he talks to you, your day will be a beautiful day, like your day will be a so beautiful day. And if he's not talking to you, your day becomes so bad, you think negative things, you feel depressed, you feel unhappy, you feel uneasy. Is your God of reality. He is controlling your life, or she is controlling your life. And maybe some of you may say God. Like, if you say God, He is the controller of your life. He controls from which situation you go through. He controls from your sufferings. He controls what you get. He controls what you will have. He controls if you get your special person. He controls everything in your life. It's on the pedestal for you. So, here, I want you to tell yourself that you are the God of your reality. It's like, go in my comment section and comment this. Like, I am the God of my reality. I am on the pedestal. I create my reality. Comment on this. Go in my comment section and comment it right now that you are like, I am the God of my reality. I create my reality. I control my reality. I influence my reality. Like, say it to yourself. I control what happened in my life. I control marks I get. I control what happened with me. I control who treat me the way I want. I control who gets feelings towards me. I control what should I wear. I control where should I go. I control like everything you control. Like, say it to yourself right now that I am the God of my reality. I control my reality. I influence my reality. What I thought is happened to my reality. Whatever going through is decided by me. Whatever you want, that will happen in your reality, whether you consider yourself a God of your reality. Now, you must be thinking how to become a God of my reality, or how will I be the God of my reality, how I control my reality. Then, if you can visualize very well, then visualize in your mind like that you are sitting on a throne. Like, you visualize that there is a big throne and you are sitting on it, you are influencing your life, you feel like you are a God of your reality. Like, you influence your reality, you control everything what happened in your reality. And if you can't visualize that much clearly, just say to yourself that I am the God of my reality. I influence my reality. I control whatever going in my reality. And from when you start thinking like this, like, I'm the God, I handle everything, whatever I want is going to happen the way I want, you will attract everything instant. In seconds, in minutes, you attract each and everything what you want. But first of all, ask yourself that are you ready to be the God of your reality? Are you ready to control your reality? Are you ready to decide what happened in your reality? Ask yourself. It's a brutally honest question to yourself. Ask yourself. Like, whatever the answer is. Like, someone will be like, oh my God, I can't handle my reality. It's so complicated. It is so big work for me. I can't control my reality. And you are afraid to be the God of your reality. And some of you may be like, yeah, I can control my reality. I'm a very confident person. Like, you can control your reality. Yeah, I can control my reality. I inspire. Whatever I want will happen in my reality. I can be the God of my reality. Ask to yourself. And if you are ready, then be okay. If you are not ready, then make your mind think that you are the god of your reality. And this is so fast. When you start thinking like you are the god of your reality, everything starts aligning in the way you want. Everything starts becoming the way you want. Everything starts coming in your life, whatever you want. Okay, now like you've been through a lot of traumas in your life and you feel like, oh my god, I can't be that person, I can't handle my reality, it's so tough, I always get bullied, or I always being a victim, or I can't. If you feel like that, you are not a victim. You have to be strong. You have to change your mind perspective. You have to change how your mind think, how you think about yourself. Like if you do not believe in yourself, there is no video, there is no technique, there is nothing in this world which can manifest for you. Be honest. I mean truly honest. If you don't believe, if you don't love yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe, nothing gonna happen the way you want. So believe in yourself, love yourself, and be the god of your reality. Be so amazed by the result. And when you get the results, like whatever, like it's a little thing, like if you are facing problem by clearing your exam, and if you are facing problem by talking to your SP, he's not talking to you, or you must be a little thing. Like if you want chocolate, and you said, I want chocolate, I have chocolate, I get chocolate, and that will come to you. And if little thing happens to you, a big thing happens to you, please make sure to share your stories in my comment section so that all the persons who watch my video be the part of this journey to change their lives, and my all the subscribers, my all people who are watching me get motivated, and you always get motivated through my comment section. Comment each and every success stories which you get result, which you get so soon, and I hope you get whatever you want in your life through this thing. Be the god of your reality, influence what you want, attract what you want, control in your reality what happened in your reality, be the god of your reality. So that's for today's video, and I will meet you in another video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and be the part of your journey to change your life by little and manifest like a god. Bye bye.